is Emma Rose here, and as you can tell from the title, it's something very exciting, and I'm so happy and glad because I waited 18 months for this, and I got the Nintendo Switch! So, let's get into the video. So this is the Mario Kart 8 Deluxe bundle, and we'll be unboxing it. So, this is what it looks like. I think the box is really cool. I like how Mario and Bowser are racing with each other. Let's get into the unboxing. Okay. I watch a lot of Switch unboxing, but I didn't know this thing was that hard to open. So when you first open the box, you will see this, which is the setup instructions. Dun, 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 dun. You just got 100 golden rubies. Wow. I watched so many unboxing videos of the Switch, but having it right in front of me and touching it is, wow. So this is the console, and okay, let's put it to the side. And these are the amazing blue, neon blue, and neon red Joy-Cons. Okay, what's this? Oops, can't show you guys that. I don't think so. That's probably my free full game download. Here is HDMI cord and the AC adapter. It's a USB Type-C, which you guys probably know already. This is, wow, it actually feels really good. The Joy-Con grip, can't wait to use this. The two Joy-Con straps. And the amazing and powerful Nintendo Switch dock. Beautiful. You see my hand shaking? I can't believe I have this in my hands. I'm so happy. So good, understand me? I'm helping this. I feel bad. I watched my videos, so I'm helping this. How you open this? I want to break it. So that's pretty simple. I thought it was, I didn't know it was this thick, so. This is for the AC adapter, the USB, and HDMI out. There you go. So now I'm going to put the Joy-Cons in and show you guys how to set up the Switch. I love that sound. Select the Accept button. You acknowledge that you have read and agree to the bounds of the end user license agreement. If you do not agree, stop using the system. Well, of course I'm going to agree. That's kind of difficult. You can use the console with the Joy-Con controllers attached or detached. Choose the control style you prefer, then continue. Set your icon and nickname. Let's look. Mario, Bowser, Link, Toon Link, Samus. I don't know. That's her name, right? This is from, I forgot his name, sorry. Tom Nook. She's also from Animal Crossing, Splatoons, Star Fox, and me. Oh, more options. Oh, yes. This one. It's cute. I'm gonna go with... Oh, cute. Oh, I love him too. He's cute too. But I like her. Background. Pink is my favorite color, guys. Is there more options? Pink? Yeah, there are. I like this pink, but she's already pink. So maybe purple? No. Oh, blue match with her. This one looks nice. But I still love pink. This one. This one. Okay. Oh, let me tap. Fine. I was about to do Princess Rose 365, but I guess I can't do that. So I'm just gonna go with Emma Rose. Can I do a heart symbol? Not seeing it. I guess not. I can go like this though. Where is it? This and that. Cute. Like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Bye.